I'm really impressed with this rake. I've tried many yard tools over the years, but this one honestly surprised me with how strong, easy to use, and adjustable it is. The expandable head is my favorite part. I can switch from a narrow setting for tight corners and flower beds to a wide 17-inch head for cleaning big piles of leaves. It saves so much time, especially during fall cleanup. The handle adjusts from short to long, which is perfect because it keeps my back comfortable. No bending, no straining, just smooth raking. The metal feels solid and durable, not flimsy like other rakes I've bought in the past. You can tell the tubing is thick, and the twist lock system keeps everything steady while I'm working. I also love how lightweight it is. Even after a long cleanup session, my arms don't feel tired. It's great for women, older family members, and even kids who want to help. When I'm done, it breaks down quickly and fits neatly in the garage without taking up space. I've used it on leaves, pine needles, grass, and even around my patio and driveway. It handles everything really well. If you want one rake that can do multiple jobs and last for a long time, this is a great choice.